Hello friends, my name is Krishna Singh and in this video tutorial we will learn how to install Visual Studio Code Editor app. So just go with Google Chrome. So here you just need to type Visual Studio Code Editor download. So this first link, this will help you to download Mac, Linux, Windows, every version of Code Editor. So just click on this, go inside. So this is Windows, this is for Linux, and this is for Mac version. So it's available of different version, Windows 7, 8, 10, and you can also specify its bit using, if check your configuration and then download it. You can also see over here property, it's 64-bit. So I will go over there and download. So it started downloading, just wait for some time. These are some of the extensions like Python, C, C++, ESLint, C Sharp, Debugger. It's very interesting to learn. I will also provide downloading link in my video description. You can check out there and direct download. Here it's downloaded. You just want to go open. You have to accept the agreement or keep. If you want desktop icon, you can check on this and next install. It will directly install, but I'm not installing now this time because I have it already inside my PC. Visual Studio Code. Now look, you can see this is the starting screen of Visual Studio Code Editor. This is the button for explore, or you can save. You can open your folder or a clone repository, anything you can open. Here you can search some words and you can replace over here. It's a source control, it's a debugger, it starts compiling your code, and it's an extension manager where you can download different type of extension inside your Visual Studio Code Editor. You can find anything like C. We will also have C code here. You just need to install and start writing code. It's so simple. In this I have installed Bootstrap, so it's displayed over here. You can see starting. Thank you.